Drivers behind the line in 3, 2, 1, go!
And right away, we have 88-73 swinging all the way over to the other side of the reef, going to potentially score that piece of coral that they had for their alliance. As 52-13 doing a nice little dance for us over here on the Red Alliance side. But everyone was moving, and it's still very close going into our driver control period, as Rockefeller Robotics right away is going to try and get some pieces of coral from the ground with that floor pickup of theirs. But F-Pro was just unsuccessful in that last attempt at getting a coral onto the level 4 branches, but Rockefeller Robotics right behind them get the second one up there for their alliance. But F-Pro is right back at it again alongside Rockefeller. They're both reaching up, attempting to get those scores for their alliance. As F-Pro is up, they sink a piece of coral there for their alliance. But 49-83 is going to play some defense in front of one of the coral stations of the Red Alliance. But 52-13 still working out some issues so they can absolutely come back in their next match. But it's Rockefeller and F-Pro back at it as F-Pro sinks a piece of coral on the level 4 branches once again. Rockefeller still trying to obtain coverage of that coral, but they accidentally drop it down for their alliance. Minute and 5 seconds left, and the Blue Alliance still has time to get more points to come back and possibly win this match. As 78-08, the Calcasco Dragoneers trying to obtain a piece of algae to possibly process for their alliance. As 52-47 moving right back over to their coral station to grab that piece of coral as they had it in their robot and then drop it out. 38 seconds left, and Mancelona's Iron Bots are unsuccessfully trying to dislodge that piece of coral from directly inside their robot. But it's 52-47 that still have that piece of coral in hand as they're trying to reach up to a possible level 3 branch score just before the end game period starts for our alliance. And that means we have Rockefeller Robotics attempting a possible deep cage hang for the Red Alliance as they need to get in the just right position as they've got it. They've appeared to be engaged. Can they reach up in time? 1 second left. And they at least appear to be up and hanging on the deep cage match as they take it home with a score of 59-24. And even though the Red Alliance robots come away with 3 ranking points for that win, the Blue Alliance at least gets 1 ranking point before the end.